Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I just had to share with you guys this wicked ass Stanley laminated shrouded shackle padlock that I got from my buddy Lockpicking Fisherman. It is a 6-pin core, SC4 core, SC4 core is what's inside. It's got this little spinner plate here for drill protection and resistance. All right, so bear with me, guys. I'm not as fast as I was because I took some time off, but we will. Getting there. Oh, where is it? There we go. Okay. Like I said, I'm a little rusty, not as fast as I used to be, but there. Hi, buddy. There you have it from me and Bear. That is the Stanley, not sure the model, but laminated shrouded padlock has been slayed. Until next time, guys, that's all I got for you. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I will catch you later. Bye.